Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ama Benny. If you're stopping by for the first time, thank you. Today I'm going to be doing a hair video. I'll be transforming my natural kinky hair to a very coily short hair. If you want to see the process and how I was able to achieve this, please stay tuned. The product I'll be using for my look is the Aloe Vera Enriched Hair Coil Activator. This particular product, I tried it out on my wig, my coily wig, and it did a wonderful job. This is what the wig looks like when dry. I know it's still nice, still cute, but when I apply the coil activator, it brought out more defined coils and it gave it this wet look. Mind you, while doing this, I didn't even add any bit of water on the wig, just the coil activator, and it transformed me into like a, that wetish coily style. And I loved it. I loved it. Just take a look at what you just did now. With no water. And also the fragrance. Oh my god. The aloe vera fragrance smells so good. So I would like to know what it will be able to do for my own hair. So to begin, I have to start with my hair. And I cannot apply any product on my hair because my hair is quite stubborn. So to make my hair more loosened, I usually use relaxer, but I don't put the relaxer on my hair as frequent as possible. Since I transmitted to a short hair, I just put it whenever I want the look to be more defined and to be more pronounced. So I'm going to apply my relaxer now. By the way, if while you're watching this you can hear some praise and worship song, I stay very close to a church. Today is not Sunday, but they are doing their thing and the noise is kind of like echoing into my room. But don't focus on that, just focus on me and what I'm doing and my voice. If you can sing along with them in your mind, go along. But I'm gonna find the relaxer on my hand now. You see, the towels they put on your shoulder when you go to the salon, whenever you want to make your hair, it's very essential. And now I'm doing it by myself. I'm not realizing how essential it is. So I'm just gonna put this towel on my shoulder so that when I'm combing, the patches that will be going down my hair will not touch my skin. I'll just wait for 2 minutes, then after 2 minutes I'll wash it off, then come back. So guys, I am back. I just finished washing my hair off and I waited for exactly 3 minutes before washing it, and I'm just going to comb my hair now. Apply oil to my hair and then apply the product, oil activate. Now I will just go ahead and just apply this. And it smells good. I will not lie, it smells like aloe vera, and aloe vera has this natural fragrance, so it smells good. To lay my edges. I'm liking how my hair is looking now. So the next thing that I want to do with this hair is to create a side part. In order for my pattern to lap, I will use the edge control to make it lap. So this is what it looks like with a side pattern. God, I feel so gorgeous. Isn't it gorgeous? Is it not gorgeous? Is it not fine? Tell me it's fine. Tell me it is gorgeous in the comment section. Tell me this thing is beautiful. So the next style that I'll be doing is just to tie a small scarf on my hair. I really like this thing. I have to scatter this thing for me to tie it. So, but anyways, I'm going to tie it now. And what I'm using here is just a material. This is just a material I saw at home, and I just cut it into this small thing to just, you know, be able to do something with it. If you have like a ribbon, any kind of ribbon, an elastic ribbon, it will be much more better, much more preferable. But let me see what I can do with this. I love it. This hair is given. This product is the OG. I don't know how they take it down. Like, this product is bomb. Like, I never believed that this, as just as small as it is, can be this powerful. Now I'm more open-minded to getting more products to use for my hair, because your girl gotta keep the styles rolling. See, when it comes to short hair, you cannot just have short hair and it should just be short and afro. Like, you can style it all. You can do so many other things to your short hair, like this one I just did to my hair. Now I have another video how to do a slip down on your short hair. Like, you can rock it in different ways. Don't let all those people with long hair be feeling yourself too much, because you can actually make a difference with your short hair. It doesn't just have to be regular. It can be stylish, cute, gorgeous, name it. This product did it for me today. I have another video to shoot, so I will just go on right now and shoot the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Want to make me sad? Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop comments for me. All right, now I'm going to end this video here.